Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your MetaMask wallet. Your secret recovery phrase is the key to regaining access, so understanding its importance is the first step. We'll cover where to find it and how to use it to restore your wallet, ensuring your digital assets are always accessible. It's simpler than you might think to get back into your account. Your secret recovery phrase is a unique 12-word sequence that acts as the master key to your entire MetaMask wallet. It's crucial because it grants access to all your crypto assets, even if you lose your device or forget your password. Always store this phrase securely offline, perhaps written down in multiple safe locations, never digitally. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful content. Quick recommendation: speaking of things that last like your crypto, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are amazing. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. To restore your wallet, first download and install the MetaMask extension or mobile app on your new device. During the initial setup, choose the option to import wallet. You will then be prompted to enter your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Type each word carefully, ensuring accuracy, and your wallet, along with all your assets, will be restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.